Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your face smoother in Snapseed. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open my Snapseed application and we can choose a photo we want to edit. We can tap anywhere to open a photo and I'm just going to select, for example, this photo. I'm going to make this man's face smoother. If we want to do that, we can go to the tool section and then we're going to go to the portrait. Okay, and you have to select smooth one or smooth two. You can choose it as you like or as you need, and I'm going to select the smooth one and we can click on this icon to adjust the effect, and I'm going to increase the skin smoothing. I'm going to go right like this to increase the smoothness. I'm going to make it 100, and then we can also customize the face spotlight. I'm going to increase it as well. Okay, and I think it's enough, and then click on this check mark. And the second one, we're going to go to the tools again and select glamour glow, and I'm going to choose this one guys, and then we can customize it by clicking on this icon, and I'm going to increase the saturation. Okay, and I think it looks good, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to make your face smoother in Snapseed. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.